Good day. I'm very pleased to introduce to you a brand new applied function of GW Instek GDS 2008 oscilloscope. CAN bus trigger and decoding applications. CAN bus plays an important role in large-scale electrical central control systems or automobile electronics systems, especially in automobile electronics applications. The stability of CAN bus closely relates to the safety and maneuverability of an automobile. For instance, ABS and airbag activation mechanism all rely on CAN bus to communicate between central control units and automobile peripheral electronic components. The speed of CAN bus is from 10 kbps to 1 Mbps for various automobile electronic systems. Both high-speed and low-speed double core conduct full duplex signal transmission. This design can counter magnetic interference produced by automobile ignition to ensure signal transmission quality. It is self-evident that CAN bus has been widely used in automobile electronic systems. Now, I'm going to use GDB03 to simulate transmission and to use GDS 2008 to demonstrate CAN bus trigger and decoding function. First, connect the logic analyzer probe of GDB03 demo board with GDS 2008 port. Turn GDB03 demo board function knob to CAN. Turn up channel 1 of the oscilloscope. Press Option and select Logic Analyzer. Under D15 to D0 on-off menu, turn on Logic Analyzer channel 0 to 7. Now CAN bus signal appeared on the screen. Press menu off. Press trigger menu. Select type. Select others. And select trigger for trigger mode and press menu off. Press the purple bus decoding key. Press bus, select type, select CAN, and press menu off. Adjust time division to 1 millisecond per division. Now CAN bus trigger and decoding can be easily observed. Under Define Inputs and under Signal Type, high speed and low speed can be selected. Under Threshold menu, logic threshold level can be set for bus decoding. Next, under the bit rate, the transmission speed can be selected. Press trigger menu and press trigger on. Different package can be triggered. For instance, slot of frame can be triggered. And this concludes the bus trigger and decoding demonstration. Thank you.